Architects Nicolle Nogueira and Katherine Heim from NK Arquitetura office recently completed a remarkable renovation project for a couple who seek the latest trends and value both comfort and modernity. Their goal was to design a space that blends contemporary elements with warmth and tranquility, creating an environment that feels both dynamic and welcoming. The project began with a detailed client briefing, emphasizing the need for tranquility and lightness within the home. The architects drew inspiration from these requests, incorporating artistic touches and black details to add sophistication and grandeur. This approach created a serene yet stylish atmosphere, blending comfort with elegance seamlessly. One of the primary decisions in the renovation was to remove walls to integrate the living room and kitchen. This open-concept design aimed to create a more spacious and fluid apartment. The integration not only enhanced the aesthetic appeal but also promoted better circulation of light and air, resulting in an airy and inviting space. The open layout reflects a thoughtful balance of form and function, making daily living more dynamic and enjoyable. The renovation involved significant structural changes, including updates to the electrical and hydraulic systems. These improvements allowed for a more efficient distribution of light points and electrical outlets, ensuring both functionality and safety. The comprehensive reconfiguration transformed the apartment into a revitalized and modern living space, exceeding the client's expectations. Throughout the project, the clients were actively involved. While one of the residents closely followed each stage of the renovation, the other preferred to visit occasionally, aiming for a pleasant surprise upon completion. The end result delighted the clients, surpassing their expectations and enhancing their satisfaction with the transformed space. To ensure visual unity throughout the property, the architects selected a harmonious color palette. This careful selection process included unique pieces such as the Ubim side table and dining table, exclusively designed by Arquitetura and produced by Estudio Latino de Design. These custom creations embody functionality and elegance, adding a distinctive touch to the apartment's decor. Every detail in the apartment was meticulously chosen to contribute to the overall aesthetic cohesion. From loose furniture by Artefacto, Simetria, and Estudio Latino de Design, to rugs from Bode and curtains by Adorni, each element was selected to enhance the cozy and connected atmosphere of the space. Objects from ornament, stones from Michelangelo Pedris, Gran Paraná, and plants from Verde Flora further enriched the decor, while frames from Reviso and bedding from Moss Home added finishing touches. The successful completion of the project was a result of collaborative efforts and the use of high-quality materials. The involvement of various suppliers, including Arquitetura Movius for planned furniture, Empiro for metallic elements, Portobello for coatings, and Kohler and Hydroforma for metals, ensured that each aspect of the renovation met the highest standards of quality and design. The overarching goal of the renovation was to create an environment where residents and their visitors would feel connected and comfortable. The thoughtful integration of modern elements with a warm, inviting atmosphere has resulted in a unique and harmonious living space. The project stands as a testament to the architect's ability to blend contemporary trends with timeless comfort, making the apartment a true reflection of the client's lifestyle and preferences. This renovation project by NK Arquitetura exemplifies the successful fusion of modernity and comfort. Through careful planning, detailed execution, and thoughtful design choices, the architects created a space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The apartment now serves as a perfect sanctuary for the residents, offering a balance of contemporary style and cozy living. The project was executed by NK Arquitetura office, with architects Nicolle Nogueira and Katherine Heim leading the design. Photo credits for the project go to Mariana Koentopp, whose photography captures the essence and beauty of the renovated space.